So, are you guys facing the problem of your Cash App saying pending when you're trying to send money to your friend? Then basically, by the end of this video, you guys will know why Cash App is saying your, transaction is pending or your money is not being sent to your friends instantly. So, watch this video until the end because if you skip some part of this video, you guys are just gonna get confused, alright? Now, before I show you the steps on how you guys can fix Cash App pending, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can feel free to ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first reason could be if your internet connection is slow. So if your internet connection is slow and you're trying to send money to your friends, then it's gonna say pending because Cash App is waiting for a fast internet connection so it can, stably connect to its server for that transaction to happen. So until and unless you connect to a stable connection, it's gonna say pending, alright? And the other thing could be if Cash App server is down. So if Cash App server is under maintenance and you're trying to send money to your friend during that period, then it's going to say Cash App pending your transition, which means until and unless Cash App servers are back online, it's not going to send your money. So once Cash App servers comes online, your money is going to be transferred to your friend instantly. And if the person you're trying to send money to is receiving a lot of payment at the same time, then it's going to keep your payment in pending. So let's say your payment was in the third position. Until and unless like the first two, transaction happens, your money is not going to be sent and it's going to be on pending. And once it reaches for your time, then your money is going to be sent. And the other thing could be if your friend hasn't accepted your cash. So there's a feature in Cash App. So if your friend has turned that feature on, then there's going to be a accept button. So somebody sends them money, they click on accept and only then they can accept the money. So until and unless your friend sees your notification or sees your transaction and click on accept, he's not going to accept that money, alright? So that's how you guys can fix your Cash App pending. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.